Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible health benefits of cloves for your stomach. From aiding digestion to reducing inflammation, cloves are a powerhouse spice with numerous digestive perks. Join us as we explore 10 reasons why your stomach will love cloves. Let's get started. Number 1, digestive aid. Cloves have been cherished for centuries not only for their distinct flavor, but also for their remarkable digestive benefits. One of the key reasons your stomach will love cloves is their ability to aid digestion. The active compounds in cloves, particularly eugenol, act as carminatives, which means they help to expel gas from the digestive system. This property makes cloves an excellent choice for alleviating bloating, flatulence, and discomfort associated with indigestion. Furthermore, cloves stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which are essential for breaking down food efficiently. By enhancing enzyme activity, cloves promote smoother digestion, reducing the likelihood of experiencing digestive disturbances after meals. Incorporating cloves into your diet, whether by adding them to savory dishes or brewing them into teas, can provide soothing relief for your stomach. Number 2, anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a common culprit behind many digestive issues, including gastritis, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Cloves contain potent anti-inflammatory compounds such as eugenol and flavonoids, which can help to calm inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. By reducing inflammation, cloves can alleviate discomfort and pain associated with digestive disorders, promoting overall gut health. Regular consumption of cloves may contribute to a more balanced and harmonious digestive system, allowing you to enjoy meals without fear of inflammation-related complications. Number 3, ulcer prevention. Peptic ulcers, characterized by painful sores in the lining of the stomach or small intestine, can significantly impair digestive function and quality of life. Cloves possess antibacterial properties that have been shown to inhibit the growth of Helicobacter pylori H. pylori, a bacterium implicated in the development of peptic ulcers. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory effects of cloves may help to protect the stomach lining from damage caused by H. pylori infection and other ulcerogenic factors. By incorporating cloves into your diet, you may reduce the risk of developing peptic ulcers and support the healing process if ulcers are already present. Number 4, nausea relief. Whether it's caused by motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, or gastrointestinal upset, nausea can be a distressing symptom that interferes with daily activities. Cloves have a long history of use as a natural remedy for nausea and vomiting due to their soothing properties. The aromatic compounds in cloves exert a calming effect on the digestive system, helping to alleviate feelings of queasiness and discomfort. Whether consumed whole, brewed into tea, or used as a spice in culinary preparations, cloves can provide gentle relief from nausea, allowing you to feel more comfortable and at ease. Number 5, antioxidant powerhouse. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting the body against oxidative stress and cellular damage caused by free radicals. Cloves are rich in phenolic compounds, flavonoids, and other antioxidants that help to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative damage throughout the body, including the digestive system. By scavenging free radicals, cloves help to maintain the integrity of the stomach lining and prevent oxidative damage that could contribute to inflammation, ulcers, or other gastrointestinal conditions. Including cloves in your diet can bolster your body's natural defenses and support overall digestive health. Number 6, antibacterial effects. Maintaining a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut is essential for optimal digestive function and immune health. Cloves exhibit potent antibacterial properties, which can help to combat harmful bacteria like H. pylori, Escherichia coli, E. coli, and Salmonella spp. That may disrupt the delicate microbial balance in the digestive tract. By inhibiting the growth of pathogenic bacteria, cloves promote a healthy gut microbiota, which is essential for efficient digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Incorporating cloves into your diet may help to protect against bacterial infections and support a thriving ecosystem of beneficial gut bacteria. Number 7, pain relief. Abdominal pain and discomfort can arise from various digestive issues, including indigestion, gastritis, and inflammatory bowel conditions. Cloves possess analgesic properties, meaning they can help to alleviate pain and discomfort associated with gastrointestinal distress. The eugenol compound found in cloves acts as a natural pain reliever, helping to soothe irritated tissues and nerves in the digestive tract. Whether consumed orally or applied topically in the form of clove oil, cloves can provide effective relief from stomach cramps, bloating, and other discomforts, allowing you to feel more comfortable and at ease. Number 8. Improved circulation. Healthy blood circulation is essential for delivering oxygen, nutrients, and immune cells to the tissues of the digestive system, promoting optimal function and healing. Cloves contain compounds that help to improve blood flow and circulation throughout the body, including the stomach and intestines. By enhancing circulation, cloves ensure that the digestive organs receive an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients, which is essential for maintaining their health and vitality. Including cloves in your diet or enjoying clove-infused beverages can support overall circulatory health and optimize digestive function. Number 9. Immune support. Maintaining a robust immune system is paramount for safeguarding against infections and promoting digestive health. Cloves emerge as potent allies in this pursuit, boasting a treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients fortify the immune system, empowering it to combat pathogens and external threats effectively. Through their immune-boosting properties, cloves serve as guardians of the gastrointestinal tract, shielding it from infections and inflammation. Incorporating cloves into your diet regularly can bolster immune function, fostering a resilient defense against gastrointestinal ailments. By fortifying the body's natural defenses, cloves not only mitigate the risk of digestive infections, but also promote overall digestive well-being. In essence, the humble clove emerges as a culinary powerhouse, not only tantalizing the taste buds, but also fortifying the body's frontline defenses against digestive disturbances. Number 10. Aromatic flavor. Cloves, with their aromatic flair, not only elevate culinary endeavors, but also aid in digestion. Their warm, slightly sweet and spicy essence harmonizes seamlessly with a myriad of dishes, lending depth and character. Whether sprinkled over a sweet dessert or infused into a savory stew, cloves weave a tapestry of flavors that captivate the palate. Beyond their gustatory appeal, cloves play a crucial role in promoting digestive health. Their aromatic compounds trigger the secretion of saliva and gastric juices, priming the digestive system for optimal function. By bolstering enzyme production, cloves facilitate the breakdown of food in the stomach, ensuring efficient digestion and absorption of nutrients. In essence, cloves are culinary alchemists, transforming ordinary meals into extraordinary experiences while nurturing the body's digestive processes. Embrace their aromatic allure and savor not just the taste, but the holistic benefits they bring to the table. In conclusion, cloves offer a multitude of reasons for your stomach to rejoice. From aiding digestion and reducing inflammation to preventing ulcers and providing immune support, cloves are a versatile spice with numerous health benefits for the digestive system. Whether consumed whole, ground, or infused into teas and beverages, cloves can be easily incorporated into your daily routine to promote optimal digestive health and overall well-being. So go ahead, spice up your life with cloves, and let your stomach thank you for the flavorful nourishment and soothing relief it provides. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the digestive benefits of cloves. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. And remember, spice up your life with cloves for a happier, healthier stomach. Until next time, take care and stay well.